I assume this will be from 60 to 75. You'll have to chop the corners. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whoever is going for measurement, please see. 50 mg, not gram.
Sorry. Yes.
Take.
I took measurement.
Those who are vegetarian, don't get offended. You are not eating it.
Irfan.
Huh? This is the pump, or you can say pipette controller. You know this? This is blow out. Why? I can release this part, okay? But this is blow in. I'll have to retain this part. Why? See, it's 5. This is a 5 ml pipette starting from 0 till here. It is 5. This is extra portion added here. This is blow in. Wait, let's say I need to measure 5 ml. I will be releasing from here, and I will have to wait here. Okay? This part I will have to keep it back in the source. This part you need not add, but here I can add. No worries, because here the last marking is 1.8. This is the Trizol reagent, okay, or the DNA Express reagent. Before that, wait. Okay, see what amount have I measured? 1 ml?
1 ml.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Consider the lower meniscus of the chemical that you have measured, okay? Lower meniscus. Are you getting me? Since this is a fluid, because of viscosity, a curve will be created.
Yes, sir.
Consider that lower meniscus, okay? And while you are taking, do not let any opening be created in the tip. Generally, there may be tip or some air bubbles. Avoid all this. Your calculation needs to be very precise, okay? One, I know. Okay. Put one of the this here tissue. Put. Yes. Now, this crushing will be doing, or this homogenization will do very manually, okay? This, that day I washed for you, I chose these things for you. Crush it like this. Group 3, you are from which group?
Group 2.
Okay, 2. Do not let it spill, okay? Don't let it spill. Just crush it. It don't take much time also. Hold. Hold with your hand. Okay. Another group, get ready. Put your specimen here.
Liver keema.
If you spill, the quantity will decrease and rest of the calculation will be affected. So please be careful not to spill. Okay, next one. Homogenize it. No, not okay. Homogenize it in such a way that there won't be any solid part left. Now we are doing in this way, but there is one special machine called homogenizer. Okay? Some other day. Yeah.
1 ml.
ओए बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक
One
ना
minute.
থাকতা
Each group take part.
No, liver.
Okay, next group come. This one.
It's a sterilizer.
What group is this? And you? Roll number 222. How come C3? Someone from group 1. Generally we take the pointed one. That is 1.5. But today we'll be using 2 ml.
সাথের কোয়ালিটি ভালো মো কোয়ালিটি সব পিনে মারামারি খুঁডিয়া খুঁডি চলি আছে ঠিক ঠিক
Sir, this one.
Okay. So, see,
Here middle.
after homogenization, we need to incubate it for 5 minutes. What do you think? What's the logic behind this incubation? This chemical
ড্রাইং অফ দ্য লিকুইড
will
Absorb.
dissociate the proteins, okay, which is bound to the nucleic acid. So for dissociation to take place, it needs some time, right? Nothing can be done without time. It needs some time. So for that chemical reaction to occur, that incubation process is needed, which is of 5 minutes at room temperature. But since our homogenization process was not instant, it took long time. So we can consider that that incubation part is also done. Okay. So we'll go for the step number 3 now. Don't spill. None of you should spill. So our next step is to transfer it.
Liver keema.
So wear your gloves and sterilize your gloves also.
লগাই গ্লাভছ লগাই
If the 70% alcohol is running out, someone or two of you go and prepare. Go. You two go and bring it and distilled water. Distilled water is in 1 gallon. Okay, white color. Pranabda will show you how to put that.
Hair color করে বইতে
Bring the measuring. You go with me. Bring the measuring cylinder. Each group wear the glove. One from each group wear the glove. One of the group come.
ওই মধুস্মিতা
একদম একদম
এইটো লয় নীট ক্ৰেক কৰা হ'লে সদায় এইবিলাক সদায় ল'ব লগাই থাকিব পাৰিলোঁ
Yes. মানুহৰ লিভাৰ দি কৰি থাকিলে হয় তেতিয়া
হয় মই তো বেয়া লগত
Sterilize your hand. Your hand.
alcohol taste of
Bring your one of you.
এইটোৱে দি আছে ৰ
I'll take it.
ফটোটো দি আছে
This is group. See, listen. What is this?
Micropipette.
I have adjusted to the maximum volume 200. Okay, 200 microliter. So, since it is 1000 microliter, I suppose it will be with it. When I take 5 times, this will be over. Okay, I am transferring it to with what ml micro Eppendorf tube? 2 ml. 1.5 is this one. The conical end is the 1.5. Okay. When you shove, wait, keep it here. Come closer. Those of you who are close to me, come closer. Listen, don't talk. You will not hear the sound. Did you hear one sound? Yes, sir. Did you hear? Those of you sitting this side, सुनेगा ही नहीं. उसरो रहा.
মই শুনা নাই বে
Wait. For them, I'll do again. Be here. See, I'm doing once again. This is the sound, first sound, okay? I can go beyond this, but I will not go. I'll stop when there is sound. Okay? While lifting, let the tip be inside the fluid, okay? And don't press the tip very hard on the surface, on the bottom of the container, okay? While releasing, I need not bother about this sound. I need not bother about this first stop. I will go beyond this. Then it will be fully released. If you do not take care of the first stop, if you press beyond this, that extra part is the mistake, is the error. Okay? Can you do? Press. Stop. Don't go beyond this, okay? There are some debris. Try to avoid the debris. Hey, don't release like this. It will shoot up. It will go inside my micropipette. Release. Did you release fully?
Yes, sir.
Don't care for the stop. Slowly. Release. In your group, who is there?
Yes. Group 2.
Who? Come. Try quickly. Try. Did you stop at the first sound? Okay. Group 2 again?
Yes, sir.
Who wants to try? Haven't you so much to try?
অঁ মন দুটাই
Put in that container.
অঁ ৰখিম
Okay, they have almost taken, okay, fine. Where will I take now? Bring one beaker, go quickly run and bring. It need not be clean, okay? Bring the dirty beaker. Right, group 1, your hand is sterilized, right? Whatever group, right on. Bring that, it's getting the electricity. To open, there is a switch. I will press it open. It is open now. There was already one balancer. No worries. Let the mouth of the this Eppendorf tube be tightly closed. Bring the protocol paper. One of the protocol paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on equal side I am giving, okay? It is 13,000 RPM for 15 minutes or how much?
So 30,000 RPM for 15 minutes.
Okay, this is our first centrifuge, 1300 RPM. Am I making mistake? Why? It's already into 10 RPM. Okay. I will go to mode. Now I'll set the timing. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay. Ready?
13.
Okay. Is it ready now?
Yes, sir.
Press the mode again. The rotor is speeding up itself. We hear the sound, it means it's working, or if I touch, I sense the vibration. It hasn't. Okay. Now it has become 13,000 RPM. The speed is 13,000 RPM constant, and the time is decreasing. Okay, countdown. Once it reaches 0, from 13,000 RPM the speed will drop down. Okay, this will go on. We'll see what other things we can do. What is this? This is alcohol. Okay, and in the class I told you, when we order for chemical, we get two kind of alcohol. One is molecular grade and the other is laboratory grade. Laboratory grade is just for the usual, let's say you want to preserve some specimen, you make 70% of it, right? But this is molecular grade. It's very expensive and in highest pure form. Okay. If you open, I don't know now you can see or not, you will see some vapor coming out of it. Okay. Now, because of fan and all this effect, you may not see. One. Three. How many times have I taken this?
Three.
Close it nicely.
3.
Done? Close?
যিমান ইয়াত আহে
Open this one. Open this one.
There is a hole. There is a hole.
Oh, how will I take that?
We need to
Sterilize this. This one? How much time left?
20 seconds.
Huh? Okay, we'll go there.
80%
This is just alcohol. Okay, come.
এইটোত এইটোত ডিষ্টিল ৱাটাৰ দিছে এইটো এলকহল দিছিলে এইটো ডিষ্টিল ৱাটাৰ
What have I taken here?
Still water.
Still water. I think I have taken ethanol. No,
Still
sir.
water.
We know.
The crowd is saying so. You are saying distilled water. Distilled water.
That's right. You should have your own.
See.
Sir, yeah.
Okay.
Only one ml.
What percentage is it now? 75.
75
No, it's okay. 75, right? Now it is 75%. Distilled water. What? 75% alcohol. Okay. Molecular grade alcohol.
Extra prepare করে
This is actually clean. It's just water and alcohol.
এইটো
Okay. It will automatically decrease the speed. The speed is coming down automatically. Okay.
from 13.
It is still rotating, but it is not rotating at our desired speed. At the lower one, finally done. Okay. So I'll just try to take it. This is water. Gently. You remember your groups?
Yes, sir.
You are from which group? You are taking your own group. Give it. Give.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Come. Let's go.
এইটো এলকহল অ ক্ল'ৰফৰ্ম চৰি
Bend it. No, bend that side. One I have given. Give me two.
Akibat ano? Centrifuged solutions.
It didn't come.
Khatam. Chloroform khatam. Kasi.
Two is also done. Is it okay? Is it okay? We will vortex it now. Okay. Where is the container?
এই কৰি আছে দিয়া মই কৰি দিম
কি কৰিলে তো অন কৰিলে
Wait, I'm counting, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For 15 seconds. Close the mouth very nicely and then you vortex, okay? It's okay, it's okay. I'm very happy with this color. I'll try it.
আৰু কৰিব লাগিব চাওঁ চাওঁ এবাৰ দেখাই দেচোন এইটো অ'কে
No, no, it's not for this. There is some special centrifuge machine, okay, the bigger one. Here in this institute, there is one in another lab, but it wasn't working.
কিমান মিনিটৰ কাৰণে
Split into 3 phases.
আগৰখিনি হেৰিতে আছে চিকিউৰিটিখনত আছে আগৰখিনি
এটা চিডি বনাব কিউৰিটি আছে
Okay. This is the, which group? 2. Then clean, don't shake. Go there. Don't shake, don't shake.
তই টু ন
3. 3 hairs are.
ল ল
Don't shake, okay? Click photo. Close, close and the 3 layers should be seen clearly. See that?
অলপ লাইট চাইট দি দে
এইটো মানে প্ৰেক্টিকেল কপিত হেৰি কৰিব লাগিব চাগে
লাইট দেখাই দে লাইট
Give me a bit for me. With other phone you try, you will see.
দেন ফ্ল্যাশ লাইট দি দে
No, no. Your background will not be white. You girls will have taken from that. Come closer to me.
ফ্ল্যাশ লাইট দি
Long boy. That pinkish part, okay? Pinkish part is what? Organic. And the white part is DNA and some debris. And the white part is your RNA.
RNA.
I will take only the white part.
অঁ ওচৰৰ পৰা ভিডিঅ' কৰ না হ'ব দে কৈছে এইটো ওপৰত
ওপৰটো আৰে নাই একদম ওপৰটো আৰে নাই মাজৰটো দিয়ে নাই ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্টটো হোৱাইট মাজত দেখিছোঁ অলপ
Right group 1 here, okay?
দেখিছ নাই
এইখিনি ওপৰখিনি আৰে নি
সেইটোতো
আই হেভ আৰে নি
খাব লাগে
এইটো ওচৰতে কৰ না অলপমান কৰ না
Wait, I'll still try a little bit. Rest of you, you do the. Hey, don't shake this. Where was that? Do the leveling on this kind of stick from here, clean one. Right, 3 and 2.
লিখি দিয়া না তোমালোকৰ কোনটো তই ল'লি এইটো
Becoming risky, okay? Fearing that the face will come.
ৰোমাঞ্চ
Where is the container before discarding? Okay, give me the other one. Put it back, put it back.
চাউলি দে লগতে এনেকে মানুহটো খুলি উঠে
Next group. One is the this stay for a while.
এছ
Give me the this kind of content. You hold. Who will hold?
জুম আউট কৰি ল ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্ট পাৰ্টখিনি হেৰি কৰিছে ন আৰু এনেখিনি বহুত কিবা কিবি কৰিব লাগে বস্তু একদম আহিব
বহুত লম্বা
সোনকালে আহিব লগা হৈছে ভালটা ভাগে থাকিব দে
Group 3. Show the best one. 500 plus.
এইটো কি দিছে এইটো কি আছিলে নামটো কি দি আছে
I've given 500 to each of you. Close.
একেবাৰে 500 দিব নোৱাৰি
Give me the alcohol. Alcohol, Jenny. Open. Nothing about it. You are get good. You want to go home? Keep on marking. Bring the other two. No. Keep here on my finger, below my finger. And keep the other one. Is the leveling properly done? 1, 2, 3. Hold this.
মই কৰি লৈছোঁ দেখিবলৈ নালাগে
This is not done. After adding, what? After adding isopropanol, we have not done.
তাত লিখা আছে টেন মিনিটছ
Temperature actually it should be adjust, but here we are not doing. No, I need that.
এলকহল বটলটো দেখো
There is some debris. Group 1, all the group 1 come closer. Rest of you just go back for now. Group 1, I will show you the RNAs. Come quickly. Come group wise. Are you all one?
Yes, sir.
Come closer. On your flashlight. Whoever can. You have phone? You were doing video, right?
Yes.
This is why I'm saying. Do you see accumulation of white part here? This side. Extreme down.
Yes.
There is accumulation of white part.
Yes, sir. Boga.
Group 1, come. The bottle is still there. This is alcohol. Pass. One of you clean your hand. Your hands are clean? Whose hand is clean? From group 1. Okay, give to her. Her hand is clean. Give to her. Sterilize. You hold. This boy will hold. Go and click photo of this. The corner one, okay? Maybe you'll have to keep it inclined. Are you getting me? You'll have to keep it inclined, maybe. Okay? Use the best.
স্যার কিমান মিনিট
5 minutes. You're taking video of the whole work from the beginning.
Yes,
So this amount, it got spoiled. Are you able to sense the first stop? Get free.
sir. One. That
Do you see the sample? Sample is here. Okay. Try to pour without touching. Don't touch. Don't shake. It didn't come. I'll start. Come closer. Staying away, you will not learn. Do you still see this? This was your spot. This spot is their RNA. Okay. Now when I put it inside the water, it will disappear. It's becoming more and more transparency.
Magnum pasta food in the starting then শুভ্রজ্যোতি মোবাইলত ৰেকৰ্ডটা বহুত ভাল হৈছে কিন্তু
I'll need to try one.
নাযায় ৰখিব লাগিব অলপ পৰহিলৈকে পাই যাবা
Maybe the amount you took was not precise. Okay, I'll see again. Who didn't try? Anybody wants to try?
চাইহে আছো
Come closer. Don't make your little phone. First stop. Gently. Where's the sample? You which group?
It is free. কিন্তু হৈ গ'ল ন
Next. Who? You. Come quickly. Hold this. There's the first stop. You can go beyond this, but don't go. Stop, and you will release. You come. While leaving, while exhaling, complete. Yes. Exactly at the bottom. It's okay. Don't worry. Fine. Write your group name. Group 2, RNA extract. I think it was my marker. Extracted RNA. Write a date also. This is group 3. Group 3, come. Extracted RNA and today's date and your group. Right.
70
Okay, boys, 2 of you hold this.